In this video, I'm only gonna breathe 3 times. I just feel like doing it. Okay, so get out. 3, 2, 1. First breath. As you might have seen in the title, today I'm going to teach you guys how to improve your production value without actually putting any more money inside. Now, the reason why you want to learn this is you want to make your project look much more expensive than it is, so it looks good in your portfolio. And also, if you're getting clients work, you want the clients to feel like you've spent every penny that they give you into the project, so they're happy about it and they don't think that you're a thief, even though you are. You took all of their money. You only spent $100 and you took $10,000 from them. I wish we could do that, but yeah, that's the goal, right? Now, there's actually 2 ways of doing it. The first one is to improve your color grading. I'm not even joking. Second breath. I've seen real life example, and throughout these years, as I improve my color grading skills, I've actually had people coming to me and telling me that my project looked really expensive, whereas I actually didn't spend a lot of money on those projects. Just because I improved the color grading, it just looked way much better than it actually is. So really improve your color grading. And color grading, it helps tells the story as well. Depending on the atmosphere, the mood, the environment, all the surrounding. If you with the right color grading, it actually benefits the whole storytelling. So improve your color grading. It's gonna be better. Last breath. Now, the last way to improve your production value is to choose the right aspect ratio. I've seen so much amateur filmmaking, but I'm not an expert myself, but some amateurs, if they choose the wrong aspect ratio, it look really bad. It look worse than without using any aspect. I'd rather use just 16 by 9, but sometimes they choose like a very tight one when they're shooting comedy. And it really depends on atmosphere and the story. So choose the right aspect ratio, study it, see how other filmmakers did it, and you're gonna learn it. Last tip, look up Wakaskazi if you want to learn about color grading. That guy taught me so much.